Ijele don't vow say he go expose all the whole camp wey belong to ESN and Biafra Liberation Army. He say he dey for where as in dey talk say he's go nowhere, say he's there until he make sure say Hope Uzodinma finish the election and win before he go move. So that he go use the opportunity, they call names of camp wey belong to ESN and Biafra Liberation Army. No be small thing, no. But we'll go into this matter, go know why Ijele talk this thing. Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back to Balabas G's. If today na the first time we they come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. Ebeni Kwezioko. As they hot, so they bring at they come. Before we jump into this matter where we'll get today, check very well if you don't follow this page. If you never follow, may you try follow the page and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Turn your notification bell over there. Why would they tell you all this is so that you're gonna get our updates back to back as they hot. Yeah, my wonderful people. You know this picture where they here now where they call Ijele. Now be the person where they answer king of the game. That's what they talk. He don't come outside though. He can't talk so many things. He say Simon Ekpa, they steal from Biafra people. No be smarty way talk. Oh, he say Simon Ekpa no go do anything. Say in day for Owerri, the enjoy they go. He say make they come make noise as in day for Owerri. Say anybody will make noise, he go carry in army and police when carry come from Abuja, go the camp of that person. He talks so many things. You know, say some things may not be like saying I would they talk him. I will go play the video and also show you where in there for street for where they talk all these things. So guys, I beg, try to watch this video from beginning to end.
It's not mostly about all these mukoko that I lined up here. From this first, Simon Ekpa, let me give you that control. Okay? Now me give you also. Anybody wey don't fight this woman bingo pass and make them come out. Come over it. This is one of their social media. You know, say they don't they prepare on Simon Ekpa, they don't they prepare them now. All those politicians don't pay them. As for making video, we get in voice record. Wait, he thought by now that this voice message, I will play it for those of you that are catching feelings. I want to show you that this Emeki Yedo is an evil man. I'm coming to them one after the other. But we just want to enjoy our, you know, like I told you, and only weak people that they go after. No only innocent people. Market women. Because we know them Nandi Okada. Gentle who Okada. Gentle who own Okada. Oh, Okada man, no. Come to Alibo, come Alibo. Even my maternal home where I go. Oh, you don't tell us. If I do live video, something where I don't announce before I travel. Even when I do Europe, I see they remind many of them. Where I see there will be bingos. I told them. The biggest weapon this their IPOP ESN criminals possess. Forget the thing where they use the confusion for social media. When fight reach, they no go come. I dare them, tell them that I dare them to have another parade at Ekpa. Simon Ekpa, you see this your parade. Try it again at Ekpa. Why again? You know, when you are giving people grace, when people are being given grace, you see the Imo State governor. Like, if one think say I go be this kind of governor, more than make me because he is too merciful to these people. Then their supporters, and you go they let them stay in a way. Really, they go stay their village. After that voice note by this one Oda, this man, and making you after that voice note, like that, not even voice record, call him, he was him. Somebody lift it. After that thing, Obrumbu governor, Unya to Kunimo state again, I will just tell the president, please. Now, this man numere, ndo to your disturb state, Munde Habu. Now, had after this man, I'm more man guarantee security of any police personnel, any because now withdraw police security owner. Now so book carry no na na play the voice note now. Also play the voice note to the president. Kowari of man. Then you withdraw his security. I just say on the ESN yeah, we protect. This man talk Imo State. I got way at all. You say why no sleep over this year? Nice idea. No be over I so. Oh, just said if I don't go back, I go don't turn aside. I don't go back. I said no, not your excuse. Them inform you from when the funeral self they set the date. You will not do anything. Nana, why you don't go? Why you don't come off for me? Come off for it. Bia me nonsense. Let me see. Can't do nonsense for this so well. You see, as long as I'm here, you do anything, any group that did that thing, all of them, if the mother had her safe, no, but that family gaman be safe. So if this banza had them or this man that calls himself a kinga, this one, if to say na for their hand, family have before I live here. Okay? Everything not at their home before I live here. Try it. Maka on I guess governor we know the talk. The Imo State governor just the pity on her. And then go to please. Uche Nwosu. I sure say you go know these boys. Chikwe her warning. Tell them to go home. If politician give them money, I am not after the money they gave you. Collect the money. You not get what that politician go do. If politician give you money, go create problem. The problem no be innocent people now want go buy. Oh, I'm not saying that not going to even reach governor where they. So why are you disturbing ordinary people? Eh? Somebody said, Reverend Light, Ukigwe, why are you excluding hope from the problem in Imo State? So he set them up to disturb his own government. So the governor now sponsored people to disturb his own government to gain what? This noise the Simon is making now about Imo State, they must have paid him. Why would I mention and make him hear? He said it himself on a call, told somebody in confidence. Yes, then this one Yoshi, I know his record. National your ESN, the biggest weapon where them get, na their leg. Yes, the biggest weapon in ESN arsenal is their legs. Ekpa, Mako said he gave with Itewiana. Okay? He gave with Itewiana. Somebody said he will never come back as him on a social media again and type on. Okay? On a social media ke Ghana no na type here. A type chacha Biazenu Biawandi Imo State. Yeah, again. You are probably not from Imo State. You can block go for cook. Jenu berewe na akwa no. Jenu ne benu no berewe na akwa. You see this over all road. Eh? If you dey run am, no difference between and waiting the woman he built for Ebonyi State. No difference. Now, these other surrounding communities, why are they not joining the road? Eh? You link your own. I saw the road I applied yesterday. Like for what? For what? Or would the governor come and do that one for you too? Nwamuku, non a house of reps, no road. Eh? Now, how would people from Amuku now tell the current rep member to come and do something for them when your own brother, your ESN, if it was there to hold these people accountable, they suppose don't put fire for your house. Yes, for that road. I don't send anybody to go do anything, but I'm telling you, if your ESN was actually to hold these people accountable, all those politicians where they build mansions and castles for village with your road, they suppose don't go fire those ones first. Not be police station. Waiting police station do you? Waiting police station do you? Yes, some of the police feel they high-handed, but all of those police now your own people. Now your own people. Eh? Now your own people. Then police, I beg. All these things will not go catch person say you go for hand. Those things follow for waiting they make those people they support ESN. I they tell you where their House of Reps member, House of Assembly member, local government chairman know they do their work. Now these ones be the local people where they see around, they know they worry them. Then you go they worry them. If you see person with midi, beat like do a many things where you like, make you not even come out. But you go see person, they say you go for that family go come they enter problem. They go they fire, they borrow money to take base, like for what? All these things so now go they live and for people now people go they tell you. They go they tell you waiting they suck. All these criminals so now they find not before inside their own village then they hide. You get where you have to adapt. You have to adapt, yes. You have to adapt. If you need to stop worrying people, say the whole you go for hand. No worry them, get the right information. You see this Ozu Simon, this noise he's making. He must have been paid to do it by characters like this. These two people. You see this Ndoshi. This Ndoshi, they are the type because okay, they tell you say Simon Ekpa told you that Bayelsa State is Biafra. According to their Biafra now, true or false? Now they can't even tell you say now where women they tie to rapper. Where women they tie to rapper? Okay. Women they tie to rapper for Kogi State. Kogi State get election now. Women they tie to rapper from Bayelsa State. Bayelsa State get election now. So why you your Biafra map? Bayelsa State they part of your Biafra map. Imo State they part of your Biafra map. Okay. Kedi ya jiburuze so Imo State kunu na-ekwu okwu ihe Biafra duna. Fugoni ya na 419 abata gị a. Ibu 419 na Imo State. Like how? You carry 419, they come Imo State. Onye ki chodiri gutezi ya. Onye ji enyi wee kwuo onya. Kede anu na akwade mata. Ane kwuo onya ewi na Third Mainland Bridge. You see am? This is just business. Ndoshi. Pure business. Man. Pure business. That's how they do election now. So when are you going to issue on no election order on Bayelsa State? Unafugia na. Kogi, they part of your Biafra. So why didn't you issue it on Kogi? Weburu no imo say efuru ka na agbogodo efuru unu ndị nke a na-arakanye. Unu ndị nke a na-arakanye. Onye tinye gị agwa gị narị ya your money. Onwegodi ihe ọ ga-eme. Iri ego a onwe okwu esi adị ga-agba unu ọkọ wafuo. Nda. Politician na anyere gị ego mebi Imo State na tinye ego obido ji ya blackmail wee gị gwa m ka ngosi gị ebe ụmụ ya. ma ịgwa m ka m gwa gị ihe ị ga-agwa ya ọ gbafuru. Nara ha ego ahụ all your money, but nnu na ịkwafuru ọbara mmadụ group mere datin ma nnakwa isikwana na ihe etirigo ma na nta ekiri gị personal. Enwekwe m time onye ọbụla isi onye ọkada gentle. I no get in time. If since you know they mention my name, you see me they mention your name again. I no get in time. Mana ekpo ma afa ihe furu gị ga-eburu gị de. Ihe ọbụla ifuru gị na na-eme. Then weigh your time. Ọ ga-adịgo to dị na ndị kan. I'm telling you the truth. Nke ya nwere ike ka gị mma. Now, I am giving a message to those people at Mbise. The other people that have their camp very close to Mbise Junction. You are no.
My people, now we're like this, so for streets. No, we're like this. So, Makande come to Imo State. Come to O say Chikwele no. Oh. Ijele wele ya. Ogo ya wele ya. No discrimination. One no to obne I pay ibu I have to everything. What I go. Ah, they go which nonsense it at home. Unu no na ka sit at home. No way. Hey yeah. I see me na see una sit at home. Me believe Simon Ekpa. Now I go go okay. Now I go here in actually Imo State. You got fair. You go see her. Koroko.
Welcome back my people. As you don't watch that video, this na Ijele will be there. Say still there for where say anybody we want may come collect. As it talk but as this thing they go on, na Biafra Liberation Army come outside. We go put the picture for here. Reply Ijele say they don't get a message when they talk. The whole thing we don't talk for mouth. Say making the count in days. Say they busy. They pursue one thing now. They go respond to them shortly. Mean they count in date. Keep down. Now waiting Biafra Liberation Army come aside, come talk regarding this video where Ijele do. My people, share this video so that more Biafra Liberation Army go still see them. For those of you who go still come outside here, come talk nonsense against this my channel. Now thunder away from heaven go for you. I will block you, come out immediately if you write nonsense concerning my channel for here. You don't get any right to tell me what I go post for my channel. So if you don't like them, skip them and pass. Leave people where want watch, follow up waiting they go on to follow up. So if you want to write about what you Ijele talk, you are free to write anything you want. Right concerning Ijele. But to this channel, I block you, come out immediately. Okay guys, we will quickly see you for the next update. Share this video